Binary subtraction generally consists of two functions. They are minuend and subtrahend. There are four rules for doing binary subtraction. Rule 1 is 1 minus 1 equals 0. Rule 2 is 0 minus 1 equals 1 with borrow. Rule 3 is 1 minus 0 equals 1. And Rule 4 is 0 minus 0 equals 0. Now, let's see an illustration on the subtraction of the binary number 10101 from 01110 using borrow method. First, we subtract the rightmost column numbered 1, that is, 1 minus 0 equals 1. Then, we do subtraction in the column numbered 2. In order to subtract 1 from 0, we borrow a 1 from the next column and represent it as 10 in this column. 10 is the binary equivalent of the decimal number 2. Then, we cross out the 1 from where it was borrowed and put a 0 near it. 0 in the second column becomes 10 with the help of the borrowed 1. Now, subtract 1 from 10 in this column. As 10 minus 1 is also equivalent to 2 minus 1, a result of single 1 remains. So, write it below this second column. Now, let us move on to the next column, positioned third from right. Since we borrowed from this column, the subtraction is 0 minus 1, and we must borrow again. However, there is no 1 in the column positioned fourth from the right for us to borrow. In this case, we can borrow 1 from the fifth or leftmost column to the fourth column, and then lend a 1 from the fourth column to the third column. Now, we do the subtraction for the third column, and write our answer in the space given below. That is, binary 10 minus 1 gives 1. Now, let us move on to the next column, positioned fourth from the right. Now, the fourth column contains only a single 1, and 1 minus 1 gives 0. Our fifth, or last column, contains all zeros, so we write 0 below it. Thus, we get our final answer as 00111.